recommendations for templates for them. So I've had a couple people in the group asking these, sort of questions about which templates I'd recommend. So I'm going to show you something that I really haven't recommended for a while, template wise. I don't think I've done any videos on this, but this is a very cool way for design dummies like myself to actually create these really unique, great looking landing pages for products, for courses, etc. Or for those of you who are selling services, it's a great way of creating unique landing pages or websites for your clients using components, right? So I bought this. I didn't make this. I bought this from a really gifted developer. And you can see all of these are unique modules that you can just copy and paste into a new card. And you have this very conversion friendly, sort of landing page very quickly that you can customize for each client. This is more complicated stuff. This is for those of you, it's not complicated to do, but the sites themselves are complex, I should say. Complicated is probably the wrong word. Complex or multifaceted is probably the proper word. So you can add all these really cool modules to a page. I got the light version of this as well. I believe I think they came together, the light and dark version. Actually, I think that's not true. I think I bought the dark version which you're seeing here, as an add-on, but it's just a great way to have these very powerful and conversion centric landing pages that you can use for your own business, or you can, ostensibly